Hey guys, welcome back to the art channel. This is Winfield, and for this new year 2025, this is on now what is called the golden era to where I'm at. It's a new season. Hopefully, I can bring you other contents. I know I have not been drawing and posting for a long while. Hopefully we'll do it this year, and hopefully for the best. I wish y'all for the best, and hopefully you can also like and subscribe to my channel, and good luck to y'all in your drawing. Thank you. Hey guys, this is Winfield, and today we're gonna be unboxing this that I ordered. So let's get to it. All right, so this is my new book called How to Draw Animals, a helpful manual for artists and beginners. So, yeah, we'll try it out. That's a lot of good drawing skills it has. This book has.